If you want to make a simple 2D cartoon animation in Canva, this short guide will walk you through it step by step. You do not need to be an animator, just a little patience and a sense of timing. First, sign in to Canva and create a new design. Search for video, choose 1920 by 1080, and open the editor. The timeline at the bottom is where you will do most of the animation work, so make sure it is visible. Next, build the scene. Pick a background from elements, something that matches the story you want, like a forest, a street, or a room. I'll go with forest and select the horizontal orientation. Drag it to fill the canvas so it becomes the scene for your characters. Now, add character. Search in graphic elements for an animal walking. Select animated from the menu. I'll choose this coatee. Resize it. Suppose you are not happy with the available options. For more options, go to Apps. Search for the Lot Animation app and open it. You will find a lot of free animated characters here. Let's search for a lion. I'll add this on canvas. One pro tip is to first export an animated Lotta character as an MP4, then import it back, so it won't give any problem in animation. I already did it. Remove background. Resize it too. If you want to create a customized human character, you can use the Character Builder app. Search for and open the Character Builder app. Let's add character. You can change the head, body, face, skin tone, and hair color. For now, I don't need this character, so let's delete it. Now let's animate these characters. Click the character, open Animate, and choose Create an Animation. Click and drag the character along the path you want. Canva will record that motion and animate it. The left side menu lets you pick Original, Smooth, or Steady to change how the movement looks. Use the speed slider to make the action faster or slower. You can also orient it to a path and add effects to it. Click Done. As you can see, the animal is moving but not walking anymore because it is in a GIF. That's why I converted the lion into MP4. Let's animate a lion now and see how it looks. To control when a character appears, select the character track on the timeline. You can drag its ends to set the exact in and out points. If the character needs to walk behind another character or element, select the element, click Position from the upper menu, choose Layer, and bring it to the front or send it backward. Sound and music add life, so search elements for effects like cartoon sound or background music and drag them into the audio track. When everything looks right, then click Share, Download, and choose MP4 Video. This gives you a ready-to-watch cartoon you can share or upload. That is the full basic workflow to create a 2D cartoon animation in Canva using simple motion paths, layers, and sound. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Also comment, what problem do you want me to solve in the next video? Take care and bye.